Hey you guys, happy April. I'm excited to share with you my top 5 product pairings for April. So it looks like there's a lot of products here, but I've got 5 little solution sets for you. So I know that a lot of us are going to be traveling this spring, maybe for spring break. Some of us are still having our spring breaks, and then maybe you're going to be traveling for the summer. Maybe you're camping, maybe you're going to the beach. I have so many solution sets for you, okay? But what I first want to share with you guys is the April customer special. So we're always trying to set you up for what is next, right? So the hot weather's coming next, right? So sometimes it's already here. We have some people joining with us. Hey, you guys. So this month, in the month of April, for every $35 that you spend, you can get one of our large thermals for $15, okay? Or you can choose, if you don't want the large thermal, you can choose a mystery bundle for $20. And those have been awesome. They're about $55 worth of products for $20, and they have been great lately. So the customer special though is the Fresh Market Thermal. So spend $35 and you can get our Fresh Market Thermal for $15. So this is normally $50. This thing is huge. It can hold my entire crock pot in here. The sides unsnap right here, so they snap down when you're not using them like this. It has a zipper closure. This can hold 9x13s for your church dinners. You can use this in the summer and in the winter for Christmas. This is so nice. I have a whole video on the customer special that goes into great detail, but this is the Fresh Market Thermal. All right, the next thing that we have is the Tote-ally Thermal. So this is also on sale in April. This is a thermal, a large thermal. It's great for the boat, great for the beach, the pool, the ball field, you name it. You can carry it on your shoulder like this. You have a pocket on the front. It has a zip closure on top. It zips closed, and it is absolutely huge. And both thermals do have our leak lock lighting, which means that you can put ice directly in here and it will not leak out, okay? So that is the customer special. For every $35 that you spend, you can get a Fresh Market for $15, a Tote-ally Thermal for $15, or that mystery bundle for $20. All right, so here are my product pairings that I have for you guys for April, okay? So say we're all gonna be traveling, right? In a couple of weeks, I'm gonna be going to the beach with my mom and my grandmother and my little girl, a little 4-generation trip, and I'm so excited. And you bet your bottom dollar that I am gonna be taking my Away for the Weekender. This is our Weekender bag. We have it in several different prints. We have it in that twill stripe. If you're the twill stripe lover, comes in our stepping stones print. This is the Island Night print. It does come with a long crossbody strap in case you want to wear this crossbody. But honestly, these straps right here, just to wear on your shoulder, are perfect. You have a zipper on the front, a little zipper pocket on the front, and then on the inside, this is huge. And this is actually a carry-on size bag. So if you need to carry on a bag at the, if you're flying somewhere, this is a great carry-on bag. All right, I have a huge blanket in here just to show you how much this will hold. This blanket is one of our, it's like a king-size blanket. So you guys, it just keeps folding, folding, and folding. So that is the inside of the Weekender. Huge, you guys. It holds so much. So if you are traveling with your Away for the Weekender, then you are going to need our hanging traveler's case. I do not travel with this, whether I'm flying or whether I'm driving. A hanging traveler case will always be with me. All right, so it zips all the way around here. And I have a whole video on YouTube about this as well that goes into great detail. This can hold travel size bottles. It can hold full size bottles of shampoo. You have place to keep things organized, whether you want to keep your makeup in here, your razor, your toothbrush. You have these little mesh pockets in the back for your little bottles. I keep a little zipper pouch in this middle section with my makeup. And then there's also a little clear pocket right here, which is not cooperating with me right now, but there's a little clear pocket right here. So this is the perfect solution set for when you are traveling. So this is our traveling solution set in April. All right, the next one we have is something that you may want to always keep in your car. And I have a hair tickling my nose. Sorry, I keep scratching my nose. I can't see the hair, but it's tickling me. All right, the next solution set is like your grocery shopping. So you will want one of those Fresh Market thermals that are on sale in April, okay? So you spend $35, you can get that Fresh Market thermal for $15. I always have one of those in my car. And I always have a large utility tote in my car as well. So this is our #1 selling tote, our large utility tote, month after month. This is in the fun flags print. So say you're grocery shopping and you need that large utility tote in your car. Or maybe you want to keep like just an extra little tote in your car. Well, we have these adorable little foldaway totes, okay? So you're like, what is this thing she's pulling out here? So we have it in the flamingo, the crab, and the mermaid right here. So if you need a little extra tote to keep in your car, maybe in your glove box of your car, or even just in one of your large utility tote in the back, or even your grocery shopping and your little kids want to carry something in their bag. Well, these can be their bag, okay? So what it is you use this little bead, you push this little bead up, you open this little icon right here, and out pops a bag. Look how adorable this is. So your little flamingo icon is going to stay on the outside. You do like this, and now you have a little shopper bag. So this is just a perfect pairing to keep in your car. If your kids are going to the beach or the pool, they can use one of these. The kids are loving these, especially the mermaid and the crab, even the flamingo too. But they can put their beach towel in here, their snacks in here, their sunscreen, their beach toys, and they have their own bag, and they can carry their own bag, because if us parents are carrying this stuff, it gets heavy, right? All right, so that is one of my solution sets. My second one is our little thermal section. So say you're going to the beach or the pool and you're carrying all the drinks, you're carrying the snacks. Well, you are gonna want this smaller thermal. This is called the around the clock thermal. It also comes in manly prints. So like it comes in a solid charcoal and a camo. So the guys, your husbands or your sons may need a lunch thermal. This is great for them. So you can carry it, they can carry it like this, or it also comes with a shoulder strap that you can wear crossbody or you can wear on your shoulder like this. So I took this last week when we went to the park. I had cut up some fruit for our kids and put in here, and I had our paper plates, and I had my forks and things in the front. But I just wanted to show you how big this is. So I have 2 of these Pairings bowls. These are like the 2 cup, no, probably 4 cup. The 4 cup bowls. And then I also have this paired with our little snackers. So you guys have seen our little snackers. This is the shark, the flamingo, the mermaid, the unicorn, and the crab, you guys. The kids are loving these. And they can also use them with our little foldaway totes as well. So cute little solution set for you guys. But say you're using your around the clock thermal and you have all your stuff in there. Well, your kids need their own little snack bags. So each of them can have their own little snack bag, and it can fit right down inside here. So you can put their goldfish in here, or their grapes, maybe their strawberries. You can put food directly in here. It is thermal lined, these are. And if they get dirty, just soak them in the sink with some dish soap and then hang them upside down to dry, and you'll be good to go for the next time. So this little thermal set is for the summer. This is the around the clock thermal paired with our little snackers. They're so fun. The kids are loving them too. You should see them at my home parties. They go crazy over them. All right, the next solution set is one of my favorites to share with you guys. Okay, this is, we can say the pool or the beach, all right? So you guys may remember this one from last year. This is the Sand and Shore Thermal Tote, okay? But now it is a bundle and it's on sale, all right? So what this is the front section. You can see it has a mesh pocket on the front. So here is that little section right there. This little mesh pocket is great to put your beach toys in. Either seashells would go in here. If you have sand on here, just kind of shake it out and the sand will fall right through here. If you have wet swimsuits, wring them out, put them in the front as well when you're done at the end of the day. And what's great about this is the back is actually a thermal. So the back is actually a thermal, which just has our leak lock lining in here, which means you can put ice directly in here and it won't leak out. So put your drinks in the bottom, put your snacks on top, put your ice on top of that, zip it up. You have your pool toys or your beach toys right here. And then this also comes with our coordinating beach towel. So this is the beach towel that will come with this one. This is the patio pop print. So this is the beach towel that will come with this, and then the bottom can actually be personalized. All right, so this set right here, this last year was $45 by itself. This year, you get this and a towel for $48. So basically, you're getting the towel for $3. All right, how cool is that? And then this does come in different prints, and then each one of these that has a different print comes with a coordinating towel. All right, so I have this paired with the small utility tote, which is right here. So you've got your thermal right here, you've got your beach toys right here, and then you can pair this with our brand new small utility tote. This is about little more than half the size of the large utility tote. So cute. It's kind of like a cube size, and then the front has a pocket right here, the way that you want to keep your cell phone in here, or you're all about the Benjamin's wallet. But on the inside of here, I have 2 towels rolled up, and you could probably fit about 4 towels in here. Then I also have it paired with a zipper pouch. So I do not go to the beach or the pool without a zipper pouch. In my zipper pouch, I have my chapstick, I have my sunscreen, I have our bug spray. Because sometimes if you go to like Panama City Beach in the fall, they have biting flies like at Shell Island, and those suckers they're like house flies, but they will bite you. So I always have my bug spray with me. And I also always have one of these little waterproof cases for your cell phone. These are amazing. We used them in Atlantis when we went for our 31 leadership incentive trip last year. And I had that thing around my neck the whole time with my cell phone so I could take pictures. But anyway, so this is the perfect beach bundle. Have your pool toys in here, your drinks in the back, your beach towel that comes with this. Then you have your small utility tote and a zipper pouch to have. And you are good to go whether you're going to the beach or whether you're going to the pool, okay? So that's the great little solution set. And then the next one, the last one that I have for you guys, number 5, is the Crossbody organizing tote paired with my All About the Benjamin's wallet. So this is our only organizing tote that is a crossbody, you guys. So this is in our tropical twist. It's so gorgeous. I have that tropical leaf personalization on there. So you can wear this, on your arm like this, or you can wear this as a crossbody. So not only is this great I use this as a Sunday school bag, it's great for teachers, it's great for nurses, it is great for moms who need to be hands-free but still need a lot of pockets. So it's got 2 large pockets on the front. On the side, you have 2 mesh pockets. Great for water bottles, sippy cups, baby bottles, well, you name it. And then the top it folds up like this if you need it to. It zips closed, or you can push it down and have it open if you'd like. All right. So then on the inside, just for size comparison, I have my laptop in here, and a regular size notebook in here. So this is like a 3-ring binder notebook. So it fits perfectly down inside of here. And my little solution set for you guys is to pair it with an All About the Benjamin's wallet. Look how gorgeous this is right here. This is All About the Benjamin's wallet, probably one of my favorite products that I love to share at my parties. So add a wristlet strap on here and you will be good to go whether you're going to the grocery store, whether you are going shopping. You can have this around your wrist, put your keys on here, hook your keys around this little lobster claw. You're hands-free. My iPhone 8 Plus will fit in my All About the Benjamin's wallet. So you open it up right here. My light is so bright. I'm sorry, you guys. Is that any better? So I have my card slots right here. This is where I keep my cash and my receipts back here. My iPhone 8 Plus will fit in here. You can also keep your checkbook because yes, I still have a checkbook. All right, then you have a little zipper pouch right here for change. You have card slots here, and then an extra little section in the back. So this is the All About the Benjamin's wallet. And this is in the Fields of Gold print, and it looks so gorgeous next to this tropical twist print. Look how gorgeous that is. All right, so that is my top 5 pairings for you guys for the month of April. Now, if you decide that you want to host with me, not only do you get free credits, half price items, Hostess exclusives, you also earn the Hostess special at that $600 level, you guys, which is amazing. Is in April, it's any item in our close to home collection for 70% off with free personalization. So such an amazing deal. Our Hostess specials are awesome. Here is a large utility tote cargo. This Hostesses are the only ones that can get their hands on this large utility tote cargo. So this is it in the scallop stripe, which is one of my favorite prints. It's so nautical, it just reminds me of summer. So this cargo has so many added features to our large utility tote. So this section right here, of course I have stuff in here, I should have taken that out, but this section right here is a thermal pocket, so 3 full-size water bottles can fit in here. On this end, you have a little pocket right here to keep your keys if you'd like, and you also have a mesh pocket right here to keep your keys, your cell phone, your chapstick, really whatever you'd like in there. And the inside comes with a stand tall insert, you guys. No one can get their hands on this stand tall insert except for a hostess when she hosts a party with me. It comes with this large utility tote. So the stand tall insert has mesh pockets. You see those right there to keep things organized for you as well. So this is the large utility tote cargo bundle. It's a bundle because it comes with the stand tall insert. It comes in 4 different prints that you can choose from. And this will go away at the end of May. So if something you had your eye on, you had to get your hands on this, you need to host with me before the end of May. And the same thing for this bundle right here. So this is the Around Town Summer Style Bundle. So this is an Around Town tote in the straw print. It comes with this little 3 pom-pom with a little tassel. You can personalize this tassel. Our Around Town tote has a place for your cell phone in the back. And then when you open it up, you have our 2 flat interior pockets and a zipper pocket, and you saw that in there. This is a Ruby Mini in that straw print as well. So this is such a fun summer tote. So this would be great for you if you're just going to the beach by yourself or the pool by yourself, or even if you just wanted to use this as a purse, you guys. This is so awesome. So I hope that you will consider hosting with me in April or in May to get your hands on these Hostess exclusives. If you guys have any questions shopping in April, please let me know. I'd love to grab some photos or take a quick video for you guys to share with you. Thank you so much for supporting me in my small business. I'm truly grateful to be doing what I love, to be sharing 31 with you and your friends and your family. I'm truly appreciative. So I hope that you guys have a great night, and let me know if you need anything.